if you're looking in through, I'm going to have the doors open, so if you're looking in through there you can see up and you can see it. So, right, how big a piece of plastic does we need to be? That is the question. 10 by 6. Could even get 12 by 6. That sounds like a good number. Okay, that's good. Where are we up to? Try and put that to the back of that, and then you slip that over the top. So, engine, this thing. Drop it in and check it out. Okay, that looks about vertical and stable. Give it a bit of a paint there. Make sure that's good. And stick the paint so the propeller goes around that there. That looks good. Back, yeah, that one sits quite well. That's good. Yep. Next, these things. Like a glove. Too much. Should have done the old test fit. Should have done the old test fit. Should have done, well, I thought it did. Should have with the old test fit. But again, most of this stuff comes off anyway, so I can get at the motor. Okay, that's a fine crack. I don't even have to sand that. That I have to. Okie dokie. Gonna paint that, so do that. I'm gonna leave that part black. I've got to put some red dots and the green dots, yellow dots. That'll do. Okay. Mirror opposites. Wonderful. Oh well. These things happen. Super glue on it like this one. Then we need a row of red dots. Running across there. One red nubby. Red nubby. Right, so much for the red. Oh yeah, bye. Good. And why not, just for a healthy dribble drabble. Now, somebody put wires from there to there, and there's no way in the world. Who bent that foot pedal over? Massive. Now we can put those in there. Like so. Test fit, test fit. Test fit, test fit, test fit, checking, test fit, checking. Oh, stuff all over this sprue. Oh, look at it. Ribbons of glass. Someone here, no, it's glass. Okay, that'll be fun. Okay, it goes up under first before you put it in there. Yes, they're going to be fun to put in, but it fits, and it does fit nicely, so good. Where are we at? That there, those two in there. I'm going to put them in, what's this? B19 goes across the roof. What's a B19? We can put that in there. 1, 2. Is that underneath? Says it sits there. Okay. This painted olive drab goes on the top. It doesn't show that it's going underneath, so it goes. Inboard of that. Through here. Alright, let's have a look. What's up? That there's a B19. Shit. Beautiful. Now, door. Let's put a bit of coat on these things. Being careful. Checks. Checks and balance. Rightio, said Joe. Done. All I got to do now is wait for that to dry, but I definitely need to sand the bottom of something there. And then we do green. Then we do green. Well, we've gone green. XF67 with a tad, little bit of white in it. So those, the fins on the side. Let's find a good lighting. Yep. There you got the detail on that's really nice. The guns, the tail. Oh, come on. Yep, the tail, the doors are done, both sets, and the spare one floating, and on both sets. So I'm going to back a bit. I'm going to hit the panels here with a little bit of white, very, very diluted, just to show a bit of sunwear. Where'd that come from? Anyway, and the tops I haven't put on yet. They fit in there, and inside's still looking good. So inside's still looking good. Top pieces have come off, and yeah, they're just. So we can do that and do those panels with a little bit of white to make them look like they've been sun faded, and one black nose. Now on this particular version from 66 in Vietnam is going to be wearing the long tan time helicopters. So the two particular ones will be numbered up, so I'm just waiting on those decals to come. And yeah, so sort of famous helicopters, and have all the Royal Australian Air Force badging on the side, which it will be in black, and not like the Royal Australian Air Force decals that we got with it. So that, and I can't use those square boxes because Australia didn't use the square boxes. We used round tubes, so I've got to make some, and I think I've got the bits and pieces where I can do that, and definitely not putting the hog's nose on it, which is not our sort of